Exactly 4 years ago, I have quit my full-time job to do things that I really love to do while using all the talents that I have. Starting with sharing my knowledge in the simplest possible manner while teaching online. Today, as I reach the 100,000 student mark across 184 countries, I want to tell you that no matter what your dream is, you can realize it. For those of you who have big dreams and who are just getting started, I am going to share my experiences while quoting 5 quotes that have inspired me in this journey. The first of those quotes is, take up one idea, make it your life, think of it, dream of it, and live on that idea. That idea for me was to teach online or to share my knowledge online. I didn't know how to do that or how to make money out of it, but I simply wanted to share my knowledge. So I used to record videos and post them on YouTube. I used to get awesome feedback from my subscribers and also a little bit of passive income. And I kept going it because I loved doing that. And in time, very soon, Udemy.com came my way. So if your why is strong enough, why you should do anything, the how will automatically happen in time. The universe will open up new doors for you, provided you do everything that you really can. So if you're working full-time, you need not quit your job right away, but every day you have to spend at least a few hours working on your talents and working towards your dream. For the last 4 years, I have at least recorded one video every day. Quote number 2, help others achieve their dreams and you will achieve yours. It does not matter how talented we are unless we use our talents to help others and to contribute towards the society. Money, fame, and everything else will automatically come to you. My courses and videos have helped college students get into jobs, and they have helped experienced professionals to upgrade their skills and even work on their projects day to day from scratch. So realize what your talents are, then see how those talents can be useful to the society and to the planet. Each work has to go through 3 different stages. Number 1, ridicule. Number 2, opposition. Number 3, acceptance. Anyone who thinks ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood. So no matter what the dream you have is, your family and your friends might not support it because you might not have anybody within your social circle who has worked towards what you want to achieve. So you have to believe in yourself and keep working one step at a time towards your dream. I used to record my videos early in the mornings around 5:30, 6 o'clock before I go to my consulting job. And today I can go to my trainings whenever I want. I have the flexibility to take vacations when I need them and also to do what I really love to do, like yoga, dance, service towards the society, and many more. The greatest revenge is massive success. Throughout this journey, you are going to meet people who will discourage you, people who are jealous about your success, and negative people. When you meet such people, you should be equanimous towards them. You should not waste your time and energy arguing with them or seeking revenge. You should always surround yourself with positive people and people who have dreams similar to that of yours. Always remember, your massive success is the only revenge. Last but not the least, all the power is within you. You can do anything and everything.